How to stop table row breaking across pages in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First open MS Word, then go to Table Layout. In Table Layout, you'll find Properties on top left. After selecting your table, click on Properties and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Row and make sure there is no tick mark in Allow Now to break across pages. Click on OK and you're good to go. It will stop table row breaking across pages in Word. And that's how you stop table row breaking across pages in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.